Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in shadow black with grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It also has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has an XDR package, which means it has chrome bumpers, grille, and handles. It also has a trailer tow package with an integrated trailer brake controller and Pro Trailer backup. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have power pedals located here, lighting controls. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. So display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You have an automatic select shifter that has tow haul and sport. This will appear beside your odometer reading. There's tow haul, S for sport, and then off again. Up above is a little cubby to put things. As well, you have your hill descent, traction control, and hazard lights. You have a touch screen with audio options through your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD and Bluetooth. You also have your settings, which you can slide through for things like Bluetooth in your display. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view, volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. Down below is your climate control, heated seats for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, Pro Trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. A couple of USB and 12 volt, and there's a little bin down there. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders and more storage inside. You can then flip the seat right up, and underneath, more storage when you unclip. As well, you've got a couple of cup holders, and you can flip those around and hide them away if you don't want them. Off to the side, you have your 12 volt and 110, a locking glove compartment, an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you also have that button to slide the power back window. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic cab step, chrome handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup camera located just below that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have the tailgate step, making it easier to get in, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, carpeted mats on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, there's a 12 volt and a couple of cup holders, grab handles in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.